I've been using this O-Cedar for years. I'm a 57-year-old housekeeper, so I guarantee you I'm going to find the fastest, most efficient way possible to mop floors. So I have recently switched and I want to talk about it. So this is my spin mop. I have modified my pole to be longer. You don't even have to be tall. A longer pole really helps you. It helps you from bending over so much, which helps your back, and you just have a longer range of motion. So a longer pole is always better. If you haven't used one, give it a try. Because of my age, I don't like really carrying around a heavy mop bucket, right? That strain on my back lifting up and down. So I modified it by putting it on a trolley. Yes, it does work and doesn't tip. So I really liked this. But here lies my problem. Things are getting more expensive and I'm having to really watch what I spend a little bit closer. And these mop heads are not cheap. And I have to replace them quite a bit. And it doesn't matter how much you wash them, sanitize them. I know they don't go in a dryer. I know how to properly clean these. They still get hair, trash, debris. And I just don't like the mop heads. I have searched and searched for something better and they all come up lacking. And because they're so expensive, I decided to check into something else. I love this about the spin mop. So I don't use it for mopping, but I certainly use this longer pole and I like this round head that moves. I take this little cover right here and I put it on. Because I'm older, doing baseboards, cleaning cabinets, some of these newer showers in these houses are huge, all the way up top. So I can use this cleaning walls, all kind of things, because it's on a long pole. It's kind of smaller, so I can get in the grooves a little bit better, not clunky. And because it rotates, it's really good for baseboards and walls and etc. And because you can use it for so many things and several come in a pack, you just take them off and wash them and they don't get gunked up. I've even used them to clean the floors. I also like them to use for dusting walls, and because of the shape of it, it gets right up in the corners really good. And like, I'm telling you, so I still love this about the spin mop. The heavy bucket, I'm not carrying anymore. So this is my new setup. I have a collapsible bucket and it has wheels on the bottom. So it just goes like this, right? And it folds up really small. And I have the flat mop head. So this is what I'm using. This is already extended. I didn't have to modify this pole. It also has this like grippy thing. It's definitely thicker and definitely taller. Because I clean houses, I know probably about half of you out there have Bona pads and these Bona dusters. Essential step of mopping is to dust mop before you mop, okay? Even though you vacuum and swept, they need to be dust mopped. Let me know if you want a video on that. I can definitely do it. But they fit this, okay? They fit it. They overlap a little bit, but it's totally fine. And it actually works well. So you can use these, right? But this is the pad that it comes with. I actually just used it, so it's a little dirty. But these do not ruin. They're not hard to wash. They don't ruin. So this helps me from bending and wear and tear. So I'm mopping, I just pull it up like this and do like that. I have not bent yet, right? And then you can just rinse it out in your bucket, right? And then you put it back on, just like this. And it's a lot easier than filling this up, bending over, bending over, bending over. So I feel like this is really simplified. This is one of the things I talk about a lot, okay? In midlife and beyond, we need to start to think of changes and modify our life to match where we are. Just because something worked 10 years ago doesn't mean it's gonna work now. If you can make small tweaks to make life easier that modifies to where you're at and how old you are now, it's really a smart thing. This is something I'm really passionate about. I'm actually writing a book about it because I don't think we are preparing enough in midlife for our changes of our body. That's going to make it easier for us. We have less energy and a lot of times the same demands in midlife. So it's essential to start to find systems that's going to make it easier as we age so our home supports us. You know, have you changed your mop system lately? And do you like these mop pads? Or is it just me? I'll be back next week with another cleaning video. Bye, y'all.